This has been a test of the NOAA. Are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. 11 a.m. Alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. Between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. The current time is 11:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.